You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is r smaller than -247. Let's solve it step by step. Isolate the r. Multiply both sides by 13. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is r smaller than -247.